soccer player, right?
Yes, I'm a national soccer player for my island, St. Lucia.
A national soccer player. I said, we got any fun facts and she just threw that one out like it was nice.
This is our moment. We've chosen the job we love. Through our champions' ways, 6-time luxury we will be. We are here to provide for all your needs. Your talents will bring our success is our destiny. We are your family, the pride of the 7 seas, and wherever you go, you'll find your home inside our memories. We are your family, indeed our heart.